In this video, we are discussing about periods. Millions of women menstruate every day. Then why periods are embarrassing? According to survey, over 88% of women go for using clothes, ashes, or even husk during menstrual periods. And mostly, these usage of cloths, ashes, etc. causes a poor sanitary hygiene. Here is a run through the poor sanitary hygiene. Using unclean pads or a cheap alternative can lead to urinary infection, urinary tract infection, or a fungal infection. So let's break the silence and talk about the periods hygiene. Sanitary napkins or pads. So most of us use sanitary napkins or pads which are manufactured from multinational companies. Do you know that majority of the napkins available in the market are highly made up of plastics? These plastics made sanitary napkins contains dioxin, fragrances, rayon and chlorine. Now let's discuss one after the other. Dioxin is a chemical used to bleach the cotton and cellulose wood pulp to give the white color. This chemical does not get eliminated from the product on which it used and finds its way to your body. Even at a low dose, dioxin finds its way into your fat tissues and continues to pose several health threats. The nature of dioxin to get accumulated in your body has the potential to cause us cancers like cervical cancer and ovarian cancer. Coming to fragrances, a beautiful fragrance is associated with the freshness of sanitary napkins. But the price you're paying for having a odor-free periods is not worth it at all. Let's see why. Synthetic sanitary napkins are laced with the odor, neutralizers and artificial fragrances. These cheap chemical components can cause several irritations and allergies. These chemicals can cause complications in reproduction systems to the extent of infertility. One more important point to be noted that sanitary pads not only affect the health but also the environment. Plastic will take 500 to 800 years to decompose and cause several adverse effects on environment. Disposal of plastic is often mismanaged, it ends up in landfills. Even recycling does not cut down the plastic as it is essentially uses the existing plastics, albeit in a new form. The process of recycling plastic also leads to a plastic irritants. So what is the solution for this? Organic sanitary napkins. What are these organic sanitary napkins? Sanitary pads and liners that have an organic plant-based top sheets covered with corn, bamboo, wood, banana, jute pulp or cellulose absorbents, etc. And thus free from any plastics, chlorine, latex, rayon, chemicals, additives or dyes are classified as biodegradable pads. This makes them fully compostable and lessens the accumulation of plastic waste. So let's discuss the benefits of organic sanitary pads. Basic hygiene. The organic biodegradable sanitary pads have an efficient absorbent cellular core which is better to keep you dry. Rash-free. The sensitive skin around the genitalia does not react and hence the user is free from rashes as the material does not contain any chemicals. Cleanliness. The organic pads are made from substances that are free from any contamination and they do not harm the reproductive parts. Plastic free. By choosing organic biodegradable sanitary pads, you have chosen a product that is free from any plastics. This makes it skin friendly and obviates health hazards. Eco-friendly. It is well known that plastic do not decompose in nature easily and it is estimated that they may take around 500 years to break down completely. Natural sanitary pads are biodegradable and decompose within 2 years of disposal. Chemical free. The organic sanitary pads are free from harmful chemicals as it is not bleached in chlorine or contain dioxin that may cause dangerous diseases like cervical cancer, miscarriage, birth defects in offspring and UTIs. It makes use of pads safer for you in every aspects. In Mellow. We in Mellow come up with the idea of organic products which include organic sanitary napkins. These organic sanitary napkins are made up of a plant-based top sheet. These are 100% cotton and 100% biodegradable. The main motto for launching this is to safety of a woman as well as the safety of an environment. These come up with 3 different sizes: medium, large, and extra large. For any queries, please contact us at a given email. Thank you.